Good evening, everybody. It's Jamie from Heavenly Dreams Dear Goats. Woo, kitty. We are under a snowstorm of some such. We're supposed to get 2 to 4 inches, and this is Tuesday, January 19th. So this is supposed to go through tomorrow, Wednesday, January 20th. Today, Diamond got 2 of her hooves done, which were her back ones. And then Morgan, our farrier, is going to come back out on Monday and try to get her 1.5 front left that she still has to do. So it's just now started snowing, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like now. And then this video will have an ending for tomorrow of what it looks like after the snow is here, or how much we might get. So here you guys get a good look at it. So right now you can see this is what we've got, and as you can see down there where the trucks are, you can see that. You can see quite a bit still, you know, with not too much on the ground, because you can see still a lot of the down trees and whatnot that are here. Get little Max there talking. You got Mr. Hercules there. I'm trying to walk down this so I don't slip and fall. But I don't know if you guys can see it actually snowing. Oh yeah, I can see it. But they're saying we could have an accumulation of 1 inch per hour of this snowing, so we will see what we actually get. It's actually for Berrien and Cass County, and we're right on the edge of Cass County and St. Joe County. We're in St. Joe County, but right on the edge. There's Mr. Hercules. He's a good handsome boy. He's getting some snow on his back there. My husband's wild Mustang, to those that are new. This is this boy right here. We just picked him up on January 5th. It's okay. It's all right. Come here. You want petted? Come here. I'll pet you for a little bit. Come here. Hercules. Come on, boy. Good boy. Yes, it's a good boy. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a good boy. Yes. You want to come here? You got to come closer. There you go. Come on. Yeah. You gotta come closer. You gotta come closer. Come on. Step up one more. That's a good boy. Good boy, Hercules. Yes, that's a good boy. Yes, it is. So, that's the boy right here. Mr. Hercules. He's a coming 5-year-old. He's supposed to be 14 too, but I actually think he's more like 15 hands. Because he's actually quite large. He's a big boy. Aren't you, boy? Yes. Yes, you are. You got the kitties playing right there. Milo and Hunter. And we got a couple of goats that are out. Mr. Hercules is following me. And he always pushes this back out. And I see and put that. He likes playing with that. There's Ariel. Hi, girly girl. Are you big enough there or what? Huh? Are you big enough there? There's Mavis, and that's Ariel. Here comes Bella, Mr. Lancelot. There's Lacey and Basil. The rest of them are inside. There's Mr. Sampson right there. Dessa's inside. I can see her in there. There's Jack Nickerin. All the rest of the boys are over there, I see. Oh my goodness. What are you talking about? Huh? Oh. Oh. Oh, Jack. There's Odessa. Hi, girl. What is it, Jack? Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh, baby boy. What is it? I'm just wants some lovin's, doesn't him? Yes, it just wants some lovin's. Yes, him does. Him just wants some lovin's. Huh. Yeah. And he likes his coat. Oh my goodness. It's okay. Goodness sakes, boy. It's all right. Yes, it's okay, Jack. Goodness, I can't even get very far away and you start crying. Yes. I'm just a good boy. Yes, you are, Jack. So everybody wants to see you in rides again, and I keep telling everybody we can't do rides. It's too cold. And everything's iced over still. Yeah. What you think, Jack, huh? Is that good? Is that good enough, lovin's? And you got Zorro and Zeus in there. I'm not sure where, probably where the other two are at, Angus and Kobe. And then we got Diamond over here, who's got a little snow on her back. Just a little bit of snow on her back. But she did get her back hooves done. So that's nice. She was being quite angry with me today. Weren't you, girl? Yeah, where's your blanket? She ripped a big hole in it, so I took it off of her. Because she wants to itch all the time. Don't you? Yes, you do. We just want to itch all the time. Don't you? Yes. Just tell everybody. Say, I like to itch. And I ripped a hole in my new winter blanket. So now I don't get to wear one. Because my mom's got to fix it now. Yes. But you were good today for what we could get done with your feet. Yes, you were. You were good enough today, yes. Does you want to smell? Yeah, like they want to see your nose up that close. Diamond, you're silly. Yes, you are. Oh, just silly. Oh, just silly. Yes, we're just silly. No. There's no nipping. No nipping. Yeah, there you go. No nipping. No nipping. No nipping. She's being silly. Was that enough? Was that enough? Oh, you want more? You want more nose rubbings? You want some more nose rubbings? Want some more nose rubbings? Yes. I'm rubbing them as good as I can, Diamond. Is that better? Okay. I'll see you later. But yeah, that's what we got for right now, everybody. So I don't know if you can still see the snow flying. There is a little bit. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Mr. Jack again. Okay, everybody, it's the next day, like I promised in the video, that we would see how much snow we ended up with, and I just got to get my gloves on. Whoop, almost stepped on the kitty. Turn back around here and shut the door. Nice little Hunter. What's him doing, baby boy? What's he doing? What's him doing, Kiki? What's him doing? Huh? You enjoying the snow? Are you enjoying the snow? Are you enjoying the snow? Okay, so I'll kind of just go out this way so you guys can see. There's the trucks. You see they got a little bit of snow on them. So, but everything else, I can hear trees hitting each other and sound like they're cracking. But just to I'll walk over here. I don't know if it's gonna give you a fair I asked my husband what he thought we ended up with, and he said it's the most snow we've gotten so far. There's in my feet, and that's not even, there's to the ground. So that's to the ground. There's about, he said we got at least the 4 inches. The turkey, he's running around, aren't you, Hunter? He loves the snow. But, I mean, we can walk over here. You can see hardly nobody's out. And they're all down there eating. There's Mrs. Pearl. I don't see any deer. The sun's going down. It's almost 5 o'clock. But we'll walk down here real quick so you can see everybody. And then that video should be done. I gotta put Max back out because I'm pretty sure they're probably they're out there right now like, you can feed me. We want to eat again. So I have to do that after I get this video done. There's Mr. Hercules. Mr. Hercules, how you doing? Huh, buddy? What you doing, boy? What's him doing? You gonna come here and say hi? Huh? Do you want to come here and say hi? Come here. Come on. You gonna come here? Come on, boy. Hercules, come on. Come on. You gonna come here? Are you gonna be brave? No? Seriously? You gonna ignore me today? He's like spookish today. Okay. Since he didn't want to come over and see us, that's fine. Well, now he does. You're just a little camera shy, aren't you, boy? You're just a little camera shy? Is that it? You gonna come here now? Come on. Come on. Nope, I guess not. And we got a few of the does still out eating. Cal, what are you doing, girl? You gonna come say hi? Huh? Are you gonna mosey over here? With that big belly of yours? Huh? Is that what you're gonna do, girl? Hi, honey. Blaze. She's got P. And there's Callie. Hi, Callie. That's actually Cal's daughter. That one right there. Here comes Mr. Lancelot. What you doing, boy? Hmm? Say you're a camera hog too, aren't you? Yeah, you're a camera hog too. With your little puffy head there. Yeah, everybody else is in there because it's very cold out. Very, very cold. There's Mr. Samson. Of course, he wants to come out because he's a camera hog too. Yeah, Mr. Samson, what do you think of the snow? You're not minding it? Odessa? There she is. There's the old girl. Bailey, what you doing? Angus, what are you doing? You guys are going to need water. Zeus, Zorro. There's Jack up there. He's actually in the hut even though he's got a coat on. Hi, Mr. Angus, what you doing? Hi, buddy. Jack! Is Kobe in there with you? Is that why you're being like that? Huh? You're not liking the cold very well, boy? I'm thinking Mr. Kobe's in there. And then we'll walk up here to Diamond real quick. what you think of the cold. Say I'm a Mustang. I'm okay with it. Yeah? So you're okay with it, aren't you? Boy, your back hooves look a lot better. Yes, they do. They do, Diamond. They look a lot better. Now we just gotta get your front ones done. Fingers crossed on Monday, girl. Fingers crossed on Monday. Yep. Hopefully that will be. Say, you like to be on camera, don't you? You don't mind it. No, she don't mind it. She doesn't mind it. Oh, I can't hardly reach you. I can't reach you, girl. There you go. I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. No, no nipping. See you later. Well, thank you everybody for sticking it out with us. See, it's a lot deeper snow up here. But thank you everybody again for watching. We will see everybody tomorrow. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and God bless.